house, welcome. You're invited to an open house you fell into. Welcome. And if you get a little uncomfortable, I could offer you a drink or two. Oh.